Okay.
So I'll just get out of the way and we'll see where we need to go and we'll go from there. Okay.
Great.
Ah, so it is good day to you, huh? Very good to see you and you and you and you. All of the energies that are in radiant joy for our here today. We are all over the globe in Germany and New York and San Diego, and there's still an essence of each one of us that is wherever we choose to be. And that is really the key in the message that is being brought is we are all one. No matter what your family background or historical background or what galaxy or planet or whatever you're from, you are here right now. An essence of this planet, a visitor as you would be, to connect with yourself and to evolve into that enlightened being that are you. That is you, that is that focus of oneness within you. And as you are understanding this year of revelation, it is also the year of awakening the compassion and the essence of gratitude in all things that you are doing, in all things that you are connecting with, in all energies. And what we, through our vessel Marilyn, are acknowledging is that link of divinity that each individual carries, that link that is connecting you and connecting us and connecting all of the guides or teachers or angelic realm. You know, you can separate all that if you want, but you are really one together. All of that is moving through your body at any given time, which is why every time you think poorly about yourself, you are thinking poorly about the angelic realm. You're thinking poorly about the source of all that is. So why would you do that? So instead, treat your body as the body temple. Treat your space as the sanctuary that you are living in, and the friends or colleagues or even the people that you meet at the market or people that you meet in the department store or the people that you meet anywhere else with that frequency and with that energy. What is happening there is you are linking that source of divinity within you and others, that you are all a part of that oneness. You are all a part of that scope of humanity that is, quite honestly, honoring yourself and others. And as you honor that scope for humanity, we're asking you to realize that those that you encounter, they are the clerics, they are the holy people, the supporting cast that you have indeed brought into your realm, that you have indeed connected with that frequency of your message. Take a deep breath. As you understand that frequency and you are meeting a cleric, a holy man or woman with every single encounter, and your space is your moving sanctuary that is traveling around with you. We ask, does that put on a little different twist into your your bedroom, into your kitchen, into your market when you travel into other aspects and other locations? Does that put that essence in new light? We hope so. Because you see, with that essence, that divinity is your core. It is also the core of others that you disagree with. It is also the core of others that may have committed travesties in this world because they are volunteers to be back here to teach you compassion, to teach you forgiveness and revelation. This, we are humanity moving into a new realm of essence, a new realm of personage, a new realm of dimensional frequency, if you would. And there are those that are saying we're in the fifth dimension, and those that are in the third dimension, and the fourth dimension, and the eighth dimension. Whatever, whatever, whatever. You are here right now. Worry about that. You have enough there. You have enough right here in front of you to not even think about what dimension you're living in. For when you do think about that dimensional frequency that you're living in, that energy or that essence is shifting and changing, much like the pictures are changing in front of us, and like the little light goes on or goes off in front of us. And we know that in that, everything is still pure. Everything is still happening exactly as it is destined to happen. Take a deep breath on that one. We are an activator, and so we activate you wherever you may be at this moment. So as you breathe into that activation of the shift of consciousness within your realm, know that sometimes when the energy gets very, very high, everything shuts down, takes a little breather space. And instead of freaking out and saying, what is going on? What is happening? What's going on? How can this be? How can that be? Stop and take a breather space. We are still in divine order. For you get the opportunity to realize and understand that the sun is still present even though you cannot see it through the clouds. The essence of who you are, no matter what, is still present, whether you feel like you can see yourself or not. Or the essence of love is still present in all other individuals, whether you feel like you can see that love or not. Instead, take a deep breath and say to yourself, I love you right where you are. You may not have the opportunity to say that out loud in any situation, but you can say it to yourself that I love you right where you are. For with that, and if everyone on the planet were to accomplish that or maneuver that or manage that, we love to imagine what the planet will be like when everyone says that as well. I love you for your differences. I love you for your similarities. I love you for your unique concept of your world. I honor you in that aspect. And as we all work, or as we like to say, plurk, play plus work equals plurk, as we all plurk together, life becomes a bit more fun. For we are saying, how can it get any better than this? Let's find out. And then sit back and allow the energy to match that frequency. That is what you are doing here. We are grateful for your essence and for your presence. We are honoring of that. We see you. We know you. We see those parts of yourself that you don't let others see. And for that, we are honoring you and grateful for you. And we love you. And we bid you namaste, namaste.
Namaste. Thank you.
Master.